How to set a favorite ringtone in iPhone. You can set a favorite ringtone for all calls or assign a custom ringtone to specific contacts as well. Now simply follow these steps for favorite ringtone. First of all, open the settings app on your mobile device. Now, once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the sound and haptics option available there and simply tap on the sounds and haptics. Then, inside sounds and haptics, tap on the ringtone. Now, choose your favorite ringtone from the list and press back to save your selection. But if you want more ringtone options, then you can simply tap on the tone store option available at the top in the blue highlights as well. If you like from this side of the ringtone, which is free, then you can simply tap on it and choose it. But if you want something new or some recently songs, then tap on the tone store option available there. Then tap on the allow, then continue. Now you will have to buy the song you want to keep as a ringtone here. If you want to buy or download new ringtones, then tone store will be the best options. Now browse through the iTunes store and choose one according to your preferences. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.